Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will talk about if you're receiving the default gateway is not available in Windows 10 message. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description. The most common solution to this problem is to install the network driver. Most people get this message after a fresh installation of Windows 10. The driver can either be found on the motherboard CD or the manufacturer's website. If the network driver is already installed and this message appears, reinstalling the driver may help. Open the device manager, find network adapters, find your particular network driver, right-click on it, and select Uninstall Device. After that, restart the computer and install the driver. If that doesn't work, checking power save mode settings may help. Open the control panel, go to Hardware and Sound, go to Power Options, click on Change Plan Settings. Next, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the box for power options, expand the wireless adapter settings and power saving mode. Make sure that maximum performance option is selected. If not, select it and save the change. Restart your system and see if the problem has corrected itself. Another option is if you have a third-party firewall software installed, some of the settings might need to be tweaked or disabled temporarily to fix the issue. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.